Kuşadası, a gem nestled on the Aegean Turkish coast. You can stand anywhere along the coast and get breathtaking views of turquoise waters with small islands scattered like jewels. At sunset, the sky becomes a canvas of oranges, pinks, and purples reflecting on the sea. The heart of Kuşadası's charm is its wonderful people and its famous beaches. A crossroad where culture converges with history and modern day blends with the past. Families from Europe, sunbathers from Asia, and adventurers from America all find a common language in this Aegean paradise. A stop for over 500 ships annually, this town buzzes with an international energy. Every week, Kuşadası comes alive thanks to its famous bazaar. Here, treasures like handmade crafts, vibrant textiles, and unique souvenirs all abound. The air, perfumed with spices and fresh produce, is filled with the sounds of haggling and laughter. In Kuşadası, each corner offers a new adventure. It's a world to be experienced and a journey to be cherished. In time's tapestry, Kuşadası intertwines with myth, power, and faith. So we found this little restaurant in Kuşadası, and we found it in an alley. I really liked the look of it, and I saw this menu, which I think is awesome. And I decided to get this, the tender oven kebab. And I'm going to start, because a lot of meals start in Turkey with soup, and I'm going to get the kalepacha, which is the head soup. So I'm going to start my meal that way, and this is a very traditional Turkish food. You know, the one thing that I love about Turkish food is there's always a table salad delivered. You don't order it, it just comes with the meal. And look at this, 4 wedges of lemons, onions, tomatoes, peppers, parsley. You've got every taste bud that's going to go off. And of course, iceberg lettuce mixed in the mix. It's superior. Kelle pecha. It's the soup that's made out of the meat of the head of the cow. And it comes with a really beautiful vinegar and garlic sauce that you put in the soup. It is one of my favorite soups. That's heaven. That is heaven. Sometimes I feel like I could live on this. This is tandır, and it's an oven kebab. So it's baked, but it's like a kebab, and they shred it off the skewer. It's served with a pita bread and rice. And this is a whole sliced onion that they have here, and 2 tomatoes. This is what real Turks eat. They eat it to get going, work hard, and get out there and make things happen. This is a working person's meal. So this is the meat, the baked meat. Sweet, delicious, and very rich. This meat is very rich. I love it. Also, every good Turkish meal comes with a bed of rice. You know, rice can be cooked too much. This is absolutely perfect. Also, bread serves a purpose in the Turkish dining. You get little oils and stuff like that, a dip. The bread adds so much to the meal. You use it as a utility, almost like a utensil, dipping, sopping. It's an important tool. Really, the salad can be eaten any time during your dining experience. They bring it out first. I'm just going to try it right now. I'm going to, of course, as I do always, squeeze some lemon on it. And I'm just going to dip in so everybody at the table takes their fork and dips into the salad. That is absolutely magic. Every flavor in that salad is present, and you taste it individually in every bite.
I think you liked it.
So tell me about this meat. How do you cook it?
It's standard. It cooks like 12 hours in the oven. We are putting inside in the night and we are bringing it like in the morning. It is front leg of a lamb, that part, and there is no fat in it. It's only cooks in that juice.
Ephesus, a nearby well-preserved Roman city, boasts the grandeur of the Library of Celsus. The might of the Great Theater, and the mysterious Temple of Artemis, all whispering untold tales of the past. Through millennia, St. John's Basilica has been witness to the ebb and flow of civilizations, religions, and cultures. We're at St. John's Basilica in Ephesus, and this is where St. John lived his life. The house of Mary is very close by here. So this is where Jesus' mother and his brother came. His brother wrote the book of Revelations on a Greek island, and then when he was pardoned, he came and lived out the rest of his life in Ephesus. In the 1st century, St. John, one of Jesus' disciples, journeyed to Ephesus between 60 and 70 AD. John wrote his gospel in letters in a modest house. It became a beacon of Christian faith. Later in the 6th century, Emperor Justinian I built a basilica honoring John's influence. The Basilica of St. John's was a 120-meter-long architectural marvel, adorned with splendid marble and intricate mosaics, and could hold over 20,000 people. It was a major Byzantine pilgrimage site. Over time, the grandeur of the basilica began to fade. Its walls and columns started to crumble due to neglect. Leaving it in ruins in the 13th century, only a shadow of its former glory. It was only in the mid-20th century that archaeologists turned their attention back to this historic site, meticulously excavating layers of history, faith, and art. It's a chance to stand where the apostles walked, to touch the stones that witnessed the rise and fall of empires. You can feel the weight of history in the air. Ongoing work at the Basilica continues to uncover its mysteries, with each new discovery adding to its storied past. Şirince, a fairy tale village with cobblestone streets and traditional houses draped with bougainvilleas, is a hidden gem. As you meander through its narrow streets, you're greeted with warm smiles of the locals and aromas of Turkish cuisine. This quaint village is famous for its delightful, unique fruit wines like peach, pomegranate, and blueberry, a wine-making tradition deeply ingrained in its way of life. The Greek Orthodox Church of St. John the Baptist stands as a testament to the village's roots, while the mosque's prayers echo the Islamic influence of the region. The night sky, free from city lights, reveals a tapestry of stars, reminding us of the simple pleasures of life. This cultural blend is mirrored in the town's crafts, cuisine, and daily life. It's a retreat for writers, artists, and those just escaping modern-day influences. Şirince, with its enchanting beauty, is not to be missed. The history of the Aegean Sea gives so much to the world. Please like and subscribe. Join us as we show you the world. These are my last looks.